This is a video of an arthroscopic subscapularis tendon repair through a single portal. Here I'm looking through the posterior portal anteriorly. I'm using a sharp bird beak passer to pass through the subscapularis tendon. There's a suture in the passer. I then withdraw the passer and retrieve the suture. After I retrieve it, I then tie a racking hitch suture. I then load the suture onto a swivel lock anchor. Here I am punching a hole in the lesser tuberosity. I then impact the swivel lock in and screw it in, and you can see the upper border of the subscapularis tendon getting reduced to the lesser tuberosity. I then cut the suture and remove the traction stitch and then probe the repair, and there's the subscapularis tendon repair.